Hi, Fraser Cousins here, unpacking the 7000R Pro Series for you, which is perhaps our most capable smartboard that really offers that pen on paper feel without making any sacrifices on how you can deploy this experience. It truly has a whole host of new capabilities, beginning with a modernized USB 3 architecture. What that means is rather than having built-in cameras or microphones, we have a built-in USB 3 high bandwidth super speed experience that lets you plug in webcams, speaker microphones, keyboards, mice to your smartboard, and we'll lend those services to whichever computer is in question as the active video source. So it really lets you now have no unplugging, replugging, and reutilize your experience very simply and tailor how you want to deploy your experiences. In fact, we actually have the most ports available on this particular experience. We actually have 7 video inputs on this experience, including USB-C, which gives you that one plug experience where not only can we pass video and audio through that cable, we also pass the USB touch and inking events through that, as well as any of the USB peripherals. But of course, we also can do power on that particular experience. Implementations or kiosk environments, you really can set the settings that you really want to achieve with your smartboard. It's freed up the OPS slot, which allows you to be able to choose deploying Windows 10 OPS computers. This experience. Smart Cells are an array of options here, but you can use any third-party OPS computer, slot in, and really have a no device requirement to actually interact with your smartboard. It's already enabled with all these experiences. In fact, I'm using a native experience right now with Microsoft Ink that's giving me this ability to be able to write directly with no software required on this, which is true for over 45 different programs on Windows 10. Not to be outdone, with the smartboard, we also include a whole host of software alternatives for actually enabling your experience. At the start, our smart television built-in experience called IQ, which enables a computerless experience for digital whiteboarding, screencasting, browser experience. Frankly, you can add any app to this experience through the Android ecosystem that allows you to be able to customize and tailor this experience for you. Secondly, we offer you Smart Ink. So if you want to go beyond those native Microsoft applications, we've created Smart Ink for both Mac and PC that let you universally mark up on any program and capture those annotations. And lastly, we offer you a digital whiteboarding software called Meeting Pro, which allows you to be able to have an unbound work experience to work through any type of workflow you're doing on whiteboarding, whether that's a workshop or just capturing the notes at the end of the day, doing templates where you're making decisions faster. You can literally be able to work through those areas, hit save, and be able to save that as a PowerPoint or PDF. All of our 7000R series comes with the Smart Assure warranty, which is a leading edge industry area where we offer you an advanced parts replacement program where we really reduce your total cost of ownership, both by minimizing your downtime and having no out-of-pocket expenses to plan for in regards to this warranty. If you have a hardware problem, we'll actually send you next day business ship a new unit that will come free in the box. You simply put the old one in that box and send it back to us on Smart's dime. It's that simple and really reducing your total possible costs for you to utilize this. To complement that, we also have added a next level ability to remotely manage your environment called Smart Remote Management. This is a dashboard that IT administrators can log into and be able to proactively manage all of their different assets from Smart. From doing centralized settings, deployment provisioning techniques, to proactively monitoring different aspects around network or the health of your system. It also even offers the ability to remote into the smartboard and see exactly what your end users are seeing to be able to troubleshoot and resolve problems. Very powerful indeed, that experience. The smartboard even includes the wall mount, and for the 75-inch and 86-inch 7000Rs, but because it follows a VESA pattern, you can deploy this on a pedestal or a height-adjustable cart, or frankly any third-party areas that you'd like to be able to use this capability for. So to learn more about this leading-edge capability, please go to www.smarttech.com/7rpro.